Hello, I'm Pablo Sebane. This is my back office administration system for Rocket Food Delivery Model 11. This app is built using Spring Boot and Timeleaf. Um, my primary goal was to implement the CRUD, create, read, update, and delete operations for the core restaurant entity. As you can see, this dashboard demonstrates the read functionality. The data is pulled from the MySQL database and is mapped to our Java persistent API entities and displays in this list. This list is powered by the list all method in my restaurant service file. It's a simple delegation to the Spring Data JPI repository find all method. This confirms all database records are correctly accessible. Now I'm gonna show some of the core features. The one that is most reliable at the moment is the update operation. I'm gonna click here in the edit button of the restaurant and I'm gonna change the name of the restaurant and also the price range and save it. As you can see, it persists not only on the UI but also on the database. I'm gonna pull it up right now and refresh. As you can see, it's no longer Rocket Foods Inc. It's just Rocket Foods, and the price range has changed to 2. So this form submits via post request and is a success. The page also redirects to the dashboard and the changes are immediately live and persistent. And regarding code explanation, this is handled on the restaurant controller. We receive the restaurant object binding and the foreign key IDs, where we then call the core business logic restaurant service.update. And here in restaurant service is where the magic happens. The first service fetches the independent user entity and address records. We then manually reattach them to the incoming restaurant object. And finally, calling restaurant repo.save with an existing ID tells the Java persistent API to execute a highly efficient update SQL statement, connecting the action to a final database outcome. Finally, I'm going to show you how to create a new restaurant. And this is going to be called Thanos. The phone number is going to be this one. The price range is going to be 3. We're going to select this address and we're going to save. Now I'm going to show how to create a new restaurant. First, we have to go to the database, and I have created this new address over here, number 6. This is going to allow us to create a new restaurant. And I'm going to call it Sapo's Burger. I'm going to attach the phone number and email, the price range, and the address is going to be shown now that I've saved in the database. So I'm going to start this again. This is the new address, Sapo's Burger, and the owner. And as you can see, Sapo's Burger has been created and is shown here in the dashboard and as well in the correspondent table in the restaurants. Here in the SQL, I'm going to refresh. As you can see, Sapo's Burger is here present in the SQL database as well. So in summary, the Rocket Food delivery back office is robust, demonstrating functionality and persistence by the crude operations capabilities across both the backend service layer and the user interface. But to be honest, regarding the delete requirement, I spend all day trying to finalize a transactional cascade for delete operation and the full API-based CRUD. While the service methods are structured for this task, I was ultimately unsuccessful in forcing the necessary SQL delete command to execute consistently, mainly due to complexities with JPI transaction boundaries and data integrity constraints. This remaining delete logic is the main feature pending. This has been a great experience for the first time working with Java. I've been able to learn new vocabulary, uh, new functionalities, and from here now, keep practicing and getting better in this new language. So thank you for your time.